Good morning. It's very early in the morning. I feel guilty waking up this early, but the course is exciting. I'm going to the Kenya Ports Authority to see the docking and to cover the docking of Christo Symphony. This is a cruise ship. By 6:30 a.m., I was already in town. This is Moi Avenue, one of the main roads leading to the port of Mombasa. The streets were unusually quiet, as expected at such an early hour, long before most businesses open for the day. Upon arrival at the port, I presented my press card and was cleared by security. I then headed straight to Berth 1, where cruise ships dock. And there it was, the MV Crystal Symphony. The magnificent vessel had just docked, officially becoming the first cruise ship of the year to arrive at the port of Mombasa. Stretching to 138 meters in length with a draft of 8 meters, the luxury liner arrived from Port Elizabeth, South Africa. I couldn't help but stop and stare. It was massive, absolutely breathtaking. I even took a selfie video to capture the moment.